The mystery of Asam Keping, from the tropical forest to our plates, the secret of the mouth-watering black slice. Have you ever seen this stuff at a traditional market or in your mom's kitchen spices? It's uneven, dark, and has strange white spots. To the uninitiated, they might think this is dry wood or spoiled food. But behind this imperfect appearance lies a profound secret of tropical nature. As you can see now, this is the original detail of the appearance of dry succinic acid as seen with the aid of a microscope. There were small particles found in the form of black lumps, and the dominant color was dark and light orange. A journey hundreds of kilometers long, and properties that have intrigued modern researchers. This is the story of Asam Keping. Today, we will uncover all its mysteries. From the giant tree in the wilderness, its miraculous transformation process, to its controversial benefits. What exactly are these white spots? Why do they feel moist? And who shouldn't touch it? Let's begin this adventure. All great stories begin somewhere, and for this dry tamarin, that place is in the shade of the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia, where humidity and heat create extraordinary life. It comes from a tree called Asam Gelugur, or with its dashing scientific name, Garcinia atroviridis. Imagine a tree that can be as tall as a 10-story building, towering above the forest canopy. This is the natural factory that produces this magical fruit. The fresh fruit is round, fist-sized, and yellowish-green. But how does that plump, fresh fruit turn into these dry, wrinkled, black slices? That's the process we'll delve into next, a process that involves sun, time, and a remarkable chemical reaction. This is the moment of transformation. A fresh Gelugur fruit is sliced crosswise, revealing its contents, thick flesh, and a large seed in the center. Yes, the hard, round seed you see in the center of each piece is the heart of the fruit, the seed of a new tree. Then, these raw slices are sun-dried, not oven-dried at precise temperatures, but under direct sunlight for days on end. It's truly a miracle, and all the physical features we see are happening. First, why is the surface uneven and bumpy? The answer is simple yet elegant: evaporation. As the water in the fruit's flesh slowly evaporates due to the sun's heat, the fruit's tissue shrinks, but it doesn't shrink uniformly, like silk drying. The result? A naturally wavy texture, a testament to its authenticity and traditional drying process. Second, the mysterious black color on the edges. This isn't a sign of decay, but rather a signature of nature. A chemical reaction called oxidation. When the phenolic-rich fruit flesh is exposed to air and sunlight, it undergoes a color change, much like a sliced apple turning brown. The longer it's dried, the darker the color will become. So, what are those dry, white spots that look like mold? This is my favorite part. It's not mold, but rather natural acid crystals that rise to the surface and dry. Imagine, the acid strength is so concentrated that it crystallizes. This is a sign of its very high content of hydroxycitric acid, HCA, and other acids. So, its imperfect appearance is actually a testament to its authenticity and strength. And why does it feel moist and soft? This is because the fruit contains pectin, a type of natural fiber that can retain water. Even though it's dry, it retains some moisture, giving it a chewy texture, unlike the dry, crusty texture of crackers. Every detail tells a story. So, what story do the ingredients inside tell our bodies? We've uncovered the secret of its shape. Now it's time to dive in. What makes this Asam Keping so special in the world of traditional medicine and modern research? The star ingredient is hydroxycitric acid, or HCA. This compound is believed to help inhibit the enzyme that converts excess carbohydrates into fat and sends satiety signals to the brain. This is why it's often associated with weight management. It's also rich in antioxidants from the phenolic compounds that give it its black color, that fight free radicals, and vitamin C for immunity. In traditional medicine, it's used to improve digestion, soothe coughs, and even help lower cholesterol. But, and this is a big but, these powers come with consequences. The biggest side effects stem from its highly acidic nature. Excessive consumption, especially in the form of concentrated extract supplements, can cause digestive upset, nausea, and headaches. And here's an important warning. These groups of people should be especially careful, and even better, avoid it. First, those with stomach conditions such as ulcers, gastritis, or GERD. Its acidity can be very irritating to the stomach lining and worsen the condition. Secondly, pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid it, as there is insufficient research on its safety. Third, those who are undergoing surgery, as HCA may affect blood sugar levels and anesthesia. Nature is power, but that power must be respected with knowledge. So my friends, dry Asam Keping is not just a neglected old spice. It's a living document. Every wrinkle tells of the blazing Southeast Asian sun. Every dark spot is a record of chemical reactions with the air. Each white crystal is a shout of its acidic power, and the seed in the center is a symbol of the ever-changing cycle of life. He teaches us that often, in the imperfection of form, lies the perfection of function. If you have any unique experiences cooking with Asam Keping or any other questions, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell as we continue to explore the secrets of the natural ingredients around us. See you on the next adventure.